My name is Mark Peterson with AIRS. As online meetings and presentations remain the preferred communication format, the Wisconsin Department of Transportation is hosting this virtual public involvement meeting. WISDOT, in conjunction with the Federal Highway Administration, is proposing improvements to Wisconsin 65 from the north junction of Jewell Street in St. Croix County, Village of Star Prairie, to US Highway 8 in Polk County, Town of Balsam Lake. The Wisconsin 65 presentation includes project limits, purpose of the project, proposed improvements, impact of improvements, the schedule, and contact information of the two project managers, along with a web address for the design website. The proposed project limits are shown on the map. The project starts at the north junction of Jewell Street in the Village of Star Prairie in St. Croix County and extends north to US Highway 8 in the town of Balsam Lake in Polk County. The total project length is 14.945 miles. The purpose of this project is to address deteriorating pavement. The existing pavement along this segment of Wisconsin 65 has cracking and rutting, pavement patches, and deteriorated shoulders. If the deterioration isn't addressed, additional maintenance projects, which come with a cost, will be required, and the service life of the road could be cut short. While there have been spot improvements completed recently, the majority of the project was last resurfaced in 2001. This project also aims to improve safety. For the 5-year period between 2013 and 2017, there were 55 crashes reported along this segment of Wisconsin 65 and intersecting side roads. There were 21 crashes resulting in injuries and 1 crash resulting in a fatality. 33 of the crashes resulted in property damage only. Several horizontal and vertical curves do not meet design standards for the corridor's posted speed limit of 55 miles per hour. A safety review of the crashes found that 3 areas along this segment have the needed cost-benefit ratio to improve the road. The final purpose of the project is to upgrade culverts and beam guard. Some of the existing culverts along the corridor are damaged, rusted, or both, and will be replaced, repaired, or cleaned as part of the proposed project. Additionally, the existing beam guard doesn't meet current design standards and will be replaced. Proposed improvement areas fall into 2 different categories: road rehabilitation and road reconstruction for this project. The proposed improvements for the rehabilitation areas include milling 2 inches of existing asphaltic pavement and overlaying the road with 3.75 inches of asphalt pavement. The newly paved roadway will include a 2-foot minimum paved shoulder. If the existing shoulder is wider than 2 feet, the existing width will be matched. This work will also include minor updates to driveways to account for the 1.75-inch increase in road profile. Little to no grading is anticipated in these areas. The proposed improvements for the reconstruction area include removing the existing pavement and base, placing 6 inches of asphalt pavement over 10 inches of base aggregate over 12 inches of sub-base material. The reconstruction areas would also require ditch cutting for drainage where necessary. The proposed roadway section includes 2 12-foot lanes and 6-foot shoulders, of which a portion will be paved. There are 3 areas of reconstruction in the project area. The project location map on the right shows 1 reconstruction area of Wisconsin 65 just north of the St. Croix-Polk County line. The proposed work includes modifying the roadway profile to fill in the existing roadway dip and cutting down the hill to make the profile flatter and safer. This area of reconstruction has profile and elevation constraints due to the location of the existing homes. The project location map on the right shows the next 2 reconstruction areas along Wisconsin 65 in Polk County. The first of these sections starts north of 28th Avenue and ends north of 31st Avenue. There, the hills will be cut down and the dips will be filled in to smooth out the roadway profile. The second of these sections starts north of 31st Avenue and ends south of 38th Avenue. There, multiple crests will be combined into one curve, eliminating the dip in the middle. Other proposed improvements include culvert pipe and beam guard replacement. The existing culvert pipes were inspected and will be replaced based on condition or if located in the reconstruction areas. Some existing pipes only require repairs or cleaning. The existing beam guard will be removed and replaced with beam guard meeting current standards. The new beam guard will require some grading at these areas. The proposed improvements have right-of-way and traffic impacts. Most of the rehabilitation work will be completed within existing road right-of-way. New right-of-way will be required in areas of reconstruction, beam guard grading, and pipe replacements. The project will use temporary easements when possible to limit impacts to property owners. Traffic will be detoured for reconstruction and pipe replacement. Anticipated detour route will use Wisconsin 46. However, access to all properties will be maintained during construction. This is our anticipated schedule. We plan to complete the environmental document in July 2021. The design study report will be submitted in November 2021. That month, we will also start the real estate acquisition process. Complete final plans are scheduled for November of 2022, and construction currently is scheduled for 2024. The construction work could be completed in 2023 if funding is available. Have questions or comments about the upcoming work? Reach out to Beth Cunningham, the WIS Northwest Region Project Manager, or me, Mark Peterson, the AIRS Project Manager. We are requesting any formal comments are submitted by May 7th, 2021 in order to include a summary of public comments in the environmental document. Go to the project page on the Wisconsin Department of Transportation website to find the comment form and more information about the proposed project. Comment forms are due by May 7th, 2021. Thank you.